Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm creating this video to help you learn a little about the basic principles of design, also known by the acronym CARP, and you'll soon see why. The design in instructional design. Instructional design has two important components, instruction and design. We often place more emphasis on the instruction component of the ID practice. The strategies, analysis, development, implementation, and evaluation of instructional content are the heart of the ID practice. However, the design component cannot be ignored. The look and feel, as well as the organization and function of the instructional content, have a major impact on the effectiveness of the instruction. The most effective designs will consider learner characteristics, the nature of the instructional content, and, if applicable, a myriad of multimedia principles. 4 basic principles of design. You'll see on the right a diagram illustrating the principles of design with the CARP acronym, and on the left an explanation of each of these. First, contrast. In your designs, create differences. Don't be timid. Think in extremes. Next, alignment. In your designs, align related items, manipulate your audience, and use as a tool for clarity. Repetition. In your designs, use this tool to create unity, lower cognitive load and processing time, and promote information chunking. And last, proximity. In your designs, use spacing as an analogy for semantic roles. Avoid confusing juxtaposition and assign relations. 4 basic principles of design. Here's another diagram to show you the CARP principles. And again on the left, the explanation of these. Contrast. In your designs, create differences. Don't be timid. Think in extremes. Alignment. In your designs, align related items, manipulate your audience, and use as a tool for clarity. Next, repetition. In your designs, use this tool to create unity, lower cognitive load and processing time, and promote information chunking. Last, proximity. In your designs, use spacing as an analogy for semantic roles, avoid confusing juxtaposition, and assign relations. CARP in action. Comparing designs. Which of the following designs illustrate the CARP principles best? Contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity. If you guessed the design on the left, you were right. This design has all the design principles covered. Contrast with the colors and fonts, alignment with the menu tiles and text, repetition with the use of consistent color, size, and fonts throughout, and proximity of like items such as featured items in the center and informational links on the left. A final word about principles of design. Effective use of design principles in instruction will improve the quality of multimedia learning by reducing extraneous cognitive load. Thus, more cognitive capacity will be available for processing the essential elements of the instruction. Design principles have more significance than visual appeal. Contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity all have the function of creating clarity in communication and in instruction by grouping and aligning like items and by creating distinction between unlike items with contrast and proximity. Now that you have a basic understanding of CARP, the principles of design, keep a lookout for designs in media, whether in advertising, art, or instruction. You'll never look at things the same way again. Thanks for watching.